Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and we at Youth for Work will bring you a few tips and tricks to crack the Bank of India exam. Over the years, the English section has become difficult. You must practice solving reading comprehension well. Practice speed reading, only that can help. Develop your vocabulary every day with the help of useful online tools like dictionary apps, word of the day, etc. Study general awareness with a special focus on banking. Learn more terms related to banking, finance, and economy. Read business dailies like the Economic Times, the Hindu Business Line, Mint, etc. Understand the concept of financial management. Understand jargons and widely used terms in financial management that will be used frequently. Prepare subjects like financial management, financing, capitalization, working capital management, financial system. Practice mock tests regularly. Mock tests are very crucial and can be indicative of your success in the exams though not necessary. Prepare well and solve mock tests as much as you can. For this, I would recommend you the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work. So, if you value the content of our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.